Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and it is day 22 of my November Tag-A-Day series. So let's see what I used for today's card. I used the Sweet November stamps, Sweet November gal Jovi. She's so pretty with her Christmas tree there. I used the Sweet and Sassy stamp set, Holiday Greetings. This is such a great set for your holiday needs. I used the Basic Gray Eskimo Kisses paper pad, 6x6. Used the scrapbook.com nested tags. And I used this Brutus Monroe embossing powder in Raven. And I have to say, I think this is one of the first times I've tried it. And I was so impressed at how fast it melted and how nice it looked. And so there is my tag today. You can see I embossed the sentiment, wishing you a joyous holiday season. Have Jovi there with her tree. She's colored with Copics, and I did use the Ohuhus for some of the details. I am really enjoying having both of them. I feel they complement each other nicely. And I have that basic gray paper, some ribbon, just cardstock on the back. I found some that was kind of shimmery in my stamp, and there we go. I really like how this one turned out. It was kind of a challenge to find a sentiment that would work with her because she's a little bit whiter, but I got it done. And I always forget what a nice touch embossing does. I really need to remember and do that more. All right, so there's my tag for day 22. I'll be back here tomorrow, which is Thanksgiving, right? Let's see, this is Wednesday. Yeah. And for my American friends, sorry, squirrel. Anyways, until tomorrow, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.